Tax Refund 2021. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back. Before we begin with today's video, make sure you check out the income tax refund playlist pinned in the comment section, as well as in the description box for all of your timely refund updates and tutorials, how to verify your identity, how to order a transcript online, tips to get a live person on the phone at the IRS, the taxpayer advocate information for hardship. All of the approval dates from the comment section videos are in one playlist for you to check them out. Those are comments shared by others to give you an idea when you will be receiving your refund, as well as my approval video is also in that playlist. And the last playlist I created for you guys is a very detailed playlist, a tax return journey. There's lots of information in there detailing the step-by-step process a tax return goes through before it reaches the approval stage and what can go wrong. It will give you an idea of what could be holding up your tax return from being processed. Now for today's video, we have more questions answered from answers from the comment section, all right, as well as a detailed breakdown of the identity verification process of why the IRS requests identity verification. So let's go ahead and begin with the first comment here. And the first comment is actually a suggestion. All right. Thank you for this suggestion. It says, found out that my tax accountant did our taxes wrong. We have been waiting for over 75 days for our return. So if you have been waiting long, you might want to double check with your CPA. So if you had someone else complete your taxes, make sure you are checking with them as well as the IRS to make sure they did not do any particular errors that may be delaying your tax return. All right. Thank you for that suggestion again. Next, we have I received a letter from the IRS and it needed me to ID verify, so I did it and I put all of my information that was asked and it was accepted, but it said could take 9 weeks, and that's correct. Once you verify your identity, the process can take 6 to 9 weeks. All right, so the question asked here also was, can someone help me with why I had to do this, why they had to verify their identity. So I went to the irs.gov website and found some information on why you would be requested to verify your identity. All right, so here we have IRS letters. If the IRS identifies a suspicious tax return with a taxpayer's stolen social security number, that taxpayer may receive a letter asking them to verify their identity by calling a special number or visiting the IRS Taxpayer Assistance Center. All right, so if there's a suspicious activity that there's two tax returns with the same social security number, now the IRS needs to verify who is the correct person. So this is why you may be requested to verify your identity if that falls under you. All right, so also you can verify identity online if you are able to speak with an IRS representative or the taxpayer advocate service. Then you don't have to wait for the letter from the IRS, because who knows how long that letter may take to get to you, and you can speed up the process by verifying your identity online if you know that's something that you need to do, and you can only get that information by attempting to speak with an IRS representative. All right. Also, it says here that IP PIN. If a taxpayer is confirmed ID as confirmed as ID theft victim, the IRS may issue an IP PIN. The IP PIN is a unique 6-digit number that the taxpayer uses to e-file their tax return. Each year, they will receive an IRS letter with a new PIN. So if previously there was suspicious activity with your tax return and you was given an IP PIN by the IRS, they will send you one now going forward every single year. And you must use that PIN that they sent to you in order for you to process your taxes without having to verify identity. If you don't use the PIN, then you have to verify your identity again, which can delay your taxes. All right. Also, they are reporting here that you can report any suspicious activity if taxpayers suspect or know of an individual or business that is committing tax fraud, that you can visit the IRS.gov and follow the chart on how to report suspected tax fraud activity. All right. Also, they have service options. Information about tax related identity theft is available online. The IRS has a special section on IRS.gov devoted to identity theft and information for victims to obtain assistance. So you can go straight to the IRS.gov website, type in identity verification, or check for that special section so you can get more detailed information. All right. Also, this is also a breakdown of why you may need to verify your identity. It's basically similar to the other one. You can go ahead and read this section on your own if you choose to. All right, so let's move on. We have this comment says here that I filed March 3rd. I filed an amended tax return and still now 14 weeks and still have not gotten my refund. All right, so I went to the IRS as well to get some information on the IRS.gov website in regards to amended returns and how long that process takes. All right, it says your amended return will take up to 3 weeks after you mail it to show up in our system. It says then the processing time can take up to 16 weeks. So you have the delay of mailing it back to them, and they are going to need, it says, up to 3 weeks for it to show up in the system. And then after they input it into the system, you have to wait processing time of about 16 weeks. It may not take that long, but it says here up to 16 weeks. Now, to check the status of an amended return, it says you need your social security number, date of birth, and zip code, and you need to go to where it says amended return status. So you have to go to the IRS.gov website and check the status of your amended return under where is my amended return, not the regular where is my refund tool. You have to go there and check the where is my amended return tool to check the status of your refund. And it says here it may take again up to 3 weeks for it to be in the system for you to see anything online. All right, but that is where you go to check the status of your amended return. Also, we have a question here is do you have to verify your identity every year? So if you were given the IP PIN, then yes, you have to verify your identity if you do not use that PIN. If you do not use the PIN that the IRS sends to you yearly, once you create one due to suspicious or identity problems in the past, then yes, you will have to verify your identity again because you did not use the PIN that was connected to your tax information that's already in the IRS system. All right, let's see here. So that is the end of this video. All right, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and check the income tax refund playlist pin in the comment section. And I will see everyone again very, very soon. Bye-bye.